Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have iPad 30 Pro and I want to show you how to take long screenshot on this device. Our first step to do it is opening application with support. It can be Safari or something like that, what have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll something. Where we are on it, we press power key and volume down together as to make normal screenshot. When we make it, we tap on it, and there we must tap on our full page. There we can customize it also, but we have our long screenshot. To save it as long, we must tap right now to done and tap on save it in photos, on PDF files, what you want. And that's all, you have your long screenshot in your gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!